Alright, September 2022, Hurricane Ian devastated the Naples Pier. So I went there today to see if there's any update on the rebuild, and there isn't. There's not a thing been done. All they've done in over 2 years is built a fence to stop you from going any further onto the pier, and all you can do is go down the steps to the beach. Here's what it says. Naples City Council signaled more potential delays in rebuilding the Naples Pier after approving measures to extend the project's timeline and allocate additional funding for the inspections. On Wednesday, the council voted to extend the construction, engineering and inspection phase from December 2024 through November 2026. So that would be 4 years. Wow. 4 years to rebuild a pier. It's insane. They also approved an additional $1.4 million for Turrell, Hall and Associates, the firm overseeing inspections and ensuring the project meets requirements. The pier construction, which is expected to cost more than $24 million, has faced setbacks as the city waits for approvals from federal agencies, including the US Army Corps of Engineers and FEMA. So it's going to take approximately 4 years if there's no more delays to build a pier. It's incredible. So now we've had over 2 years of no pier, and I think that's pretty much of a joke, really. I don't know how they can get away with this, to not do anything except build a fence and stop you from going on the pier. So over 2 years, nothing's been done, and another 2 years before it's completed, apparently. So should we hold them to that, 2026? Probably not. I'm giving it to another 2 years after that. It's incredible. All right, so that's the latest on the Naples Pier. Thanks for watching. My name's Paul. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.